岩から雷のように時速130キロで東京の空を駆け抜けるぞ。地上80メートルからの景色とともに最高の乗り心地を体験してくれ。それじゃあいよいよ出発だ。みんな行くぞ。0、1、
This is Canopy Coaster here. We're going on Thunder Dolphin, the tallest coaster in all of Tokyo. We're going 260 feet up, and we're going to get a great view of the city as we ride through some rides, the tops of buildings, and yeah, look forward to getting back on this ride. It's Emily's first time.
These views are insane.
Yeah. This is why I got contacts, so I can actually see them this time on the ride. Like that one.
That was awesome.
Yeah, the setting's amazing.
Yeah.
Usually rides are built in like terrain, like the ground, but this one's a terrain coaster in the city going on top of buildings.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you get a chance, definitely come out to Tokyo Dome City, give Thunder Dolphin a try. It's an amazing ride and great city to visit as well. Look forward to riding again.
Oh yeah.